Hello everyone, this is me Kripan Gurung and I'm here for CPT portfolio presentation. My student number is 1210503 and I would like to go with overview and I have discussed about introduction, overview of professional experience, CPT record sheet, articulation of experiences, so summative mapping and reflections against Indians, Australia competencies, conclusion, Q&A, and I would like to discuss about my resume. My name is Kripan Gurung. My address is mentioned over here, and my mobile number and email address is mentioned over here as well. My career objective is to work as a civil engineer in the engineering field in Australia. And talking about my education, I've done my bachelor's in civil engineering from Pokhara Engineering College, affiliated to Pokhara University with 3.14 CGPA out of 4, and I'm doing Masters of Engineering Civil as a major from March 2019 to present. And talking about my professional experience from 2007-2020 to present, I'm working as a civil engineering intern. Talking about my specific skills, I have technical skills which consists of AutoCAD drafting, GeoStudio, Sidra, Circly, EPNet, EPSOM, Microsoft Office. And then talking about my non-technical skills, I have strong oral and written communication skills, organization and time management skills, leadership and management skills. I am a Nepalese registered engineer, which having number 177557 civil A category. My extracurricular activities are badminton, trekking, volunteering, snooker. And overview of professional development. I have completed CV 82 units, 120 hours. Completed 380 hours as a civil engineering intern, 380 hours. Boral Asphalt Lab site visit, I've claimed 1.5 hours. Participate in Engineers Australia event, 1.5 hours. It's total of 503 hours I have claimed. And I would like to go with CPD record sheet. I would like to discuss about Australian engineering practice, which I studied in Tom 1 2019, which started from 1103 2019 till 2106 2019. I have gained the knowledge about professionalism in engineering Australia standards, Engineers Australia Code of Ethics, and worked in the design of rainwater harvesting and water supply. I have claimed 18 hours for it, and ENEC 2003 Geotechnical Engineering. I have learned and gained the knowledge about geotechnical structures like foundation structures, slope stability technologies used in slope stability, numerical analysis, and modeling of geotechnical parameters by GeoStudio. I have claimed 18 hours for it. And for ENEC 2005 Advanced Water Engineering, a student enrolled as a role description. I learned to design municipal water systems in terms of water distribution, wastewater collection, and stormwater drainage using EPANet and EPA SWMM software. And I would like to discuss about ENEC 2004 Advanced Transportation Engineering Design. In this subject, I learned to use Sidra software and Circly to design pavement. I've claimed 17 hours for it. And engineering research project planning in RP 20001. In this unit, I performed a systematic literature review to find out the issues of on-site wastewater treatment and came up with methodology to solve the issues to fulfill research gap. I've claimed 16 hours for it. And the other unit I've learned is Sustainability Studio ENEZ 2003. In this unit, I was able to learn about the group project, sustainable materials and renewable energy for green buildings, where I learned numerical calculations, literature review, use of Australian course, and cost analysis of green buildings. I've claimed 17 hours for it. And I would like to discuss of ENRP 20003 Engineering Research Project Planning. The methodology in planning phase of the project is implemented and results are claimed 16 hours per week. Currently, I am enrolled in ENEP 20,001 internship work experience. I learned to put my knowledge into practice in the real world engineering work environment strictly under the requirements of Engineers Australia Code of Ethics. I have claimed 380 hours for it, and as a participant of Bora Asphalt Labs, I've claimed 1.5 hours, and as a participant of Horizon Cycler Devi, I have claimed 1.5 hours. Now I would like to discuss about the evidence. It's ENEZ 20,000 Australian Engineering Practice. I have completed this unit with distinction grade, and figure shows the work site for the completion of the project. I have successful submission of assignments, 3 reflective writings, group projects, and final individual portfolio, which covers 7 learning outcomes. I learned to work and contribute as a team member in a team for the completion of the group project, developed writing communication skills, got familiar about Australian codes and standards. I also learned about Engineers Australia Stage 1 competencies. It's and the second evidence is ENEC 2003 Geotechnical Engineering Design. In the description, completion of the unit ENEC with grade C and completed assignment using GeoStudio. I have learned to analyze the geotechnical structures like slope, foundation, embankments. I have also learned to use GeoStudio, and from lab experiment, I have learned the stress strain behavior of the parameters. And talking about evidence 3, it's advanced water engineering. In this unit, I have learned to design the distribution of wastewater collection network and parts of the storm water drainage system. I have used municipal and technical papers, Australian standards, EPA SWM and EPA NET to complete this unit. And I would like to discuss about my fourth evidence. It's advanced transportation engineering. I have successfully completed this unit with C grade, and in this unit I have learned the methods to evaluate the roadways intersection flexible and rigid pavement. The second evidence shows the road intersection. For the road intersection I have used Sidra software. And the fifth evidence is ENEZ 20003 Sustainability Studio. After completing this unit, I have learned to use the engineering tools principles to solve the sustainability issues, and working in a group to complete this project enhance my communication, time management, and interpersonal skills. And I worked as an intern civil engineer, and I have learned to apply my engineering knowledge into practice in engineering industry, meet the stakeholder demand, use of Australian codes and practice, professional reports, and prepare bill of quantities. And this is the certificate for approval of engineering professional report. And engineering research project planning, my seventh evidence. I have learned about systematic literature review of different papers, methodology needed to implement the project. And my eighth evidence is engineering research project implementation. In this unit, I applied the research methodology to obtain the thesis results. And I have visited the Boral Asphalt laboratory site visit. I've learned the large scale production of asphalt and the laboratory methods implemented to check the standards. Um, the person in the extreme left is me, and I have attended Horizon Cyclone Devi recovery. In this event, I have learned to uh, recover the damage done by cyclone very fast. And these are the criteria of Engineers Australia competencies. I have put all my evidences for it. And this one is for knowledge of contextual factors, understanding and norms. And this one is the application of engineering application of ability, personal and professional attributes. And concluding, I have successfully completed 480 plus CPD hours to get registered in Engineers Australia. I have learned different engineering tools, methods, concepts, standards, strategy requirements, report writing skills. Apart from this, I have learned professional competencies such as problem solving, effective communication, organization, and time management skills required in engineering industry. Therefore, I am confident that these skills will be very useful for working as a civil engineer in Australia. Thank you. Any questions and answer?